Hey, Daniel with a short video update. Return to Daniel.com. 8th of January, I was 3 months post-operative from my detransition surgery, and I'm starting to heal up well. I've been released by my surgeon to be able to do some physical exercise. I was able to start getting back into Pilates and I've been walking ever since I've been allowed to walk. Um, it was a very difficult surgery. It was very painful. I remember it well. Um, and I was reminiscing here about I'm in a cabin with my wife and a beautiful view of Lago Yanquihue. In the southern part of Chile, and it's actually the 10th of January today. And my wife, Patricia, she has a cousin that lives down here in the southern part, and we came down here to visit her. And she has all kinds of animals, horses and dogs and cats. And the dogs have a new litter of puppies, and the cat has a new litter of puppies. And when you watch that female cat take care of the young and nurse those young kittens, she'll come and she'll cry the loud meow, and then the little kittens will run, and then the mother cat will lay down and let those little kittens get fed the breast milk. And when you think about it, God designed the female to be the caring sex, and because I was born a biological male, I just don't have that in my genes, and so I was a miserable failure trying to live for 10 years in the female role. And so when I got healed, I have all my natural instincts back. And I'm actually going to write a blog post about this. I need to write a blog post, update my return to Daniel.com site. And the male, God has designed him instead of being the nurturing, caring, and the way the mother cat feeds those young kittens, and the way a woman feeds and nurses her baby. God designed the female with the body to be able to do that. And so now that I'm back in my male role, I had fun with my wife's Patricia's cousins' sons. They love to go horseback riding, and they were taming a horse, and I was out there in the country with them, and I carry around my big hunting knife with me because I'm out in the wilderness, and just got all my natural hunter gatherer, caretaker, provider instincts back. And so that's all. Look forward to posting this on my website as a blog post about how God designs the male in a unique way to be, the provider and protector and gatherer, and he designs the female to be the nurturer and the caretaker. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.